Hey, y'all, we back, you know, cousin in that scat, you know what I'm saying? Yo, Dave, yeah. Yeah, Walmart, but yo, guess what? We have to go get this new AR, y'all. Sapi. Mucho gusto, you know what I'm saying? Gusto mi AR, you know, gusto. Alright, yo, get back. Bright Saturday, you feel me? About to go pick up this new AR. It's not really new, but it's new to me. For me, but I'm about to go pick this up. It's early. Wipe the crust out. To get shaken. Boom, back at the so don't mind my mom, you know what I'm saying? She in the background on the phone. You know how yachties get, they get on the phone and start chatting mad loud. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Mom Dukes, but word, just enjoy the video. So we have the radical, it's clear. We have the RF-15 PLR. RF-15 PLR, there we go. Shit was somewhere there. But used, sturdy, ambidextrous, safety. Need to charge them, about to upgrade that. What else? Yeah, came with this. Locks back. What else? The stock, cause it's a 16-inch. Oh yeah, it's a 16-inch. Full length. You know what I'm saying? Bought another P-Mag for it also. And then went to a local shop and bought a motherfucking angle grip. Yeah, man. Word, man. Yeah, man. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ratty G's, and I'm back. Yeah, for me. So, boom, we got the RF-15, and these are the upgrades I did to it so far. You know, little mods, nothing crazy. True Glow, Red Dot from Walmart. T-Moo Sling. Look at the fucking DIY mounts, right? Like I said, this is a budget build, and I'm loving it. I don't really give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? It's still gonna do damage. Yeah. This is the mag it came with, like I said. But we got some green boys in here. Pro mag. Yeah, so far I'm loving it. I'm gonna drop the video of me shooting it after, you know, probably this. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, like, it's still a sling at the end of the day. It's not the comfortablest. You know, I'm probably gonna do some more DIY shit to it. Put some fucking padding or something around it. You know, one of those like pads from like suitcases, you know what I'm saying? Something. Put something, some type of cloth. Feel me? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. And like up, like up. Radical's firearm, RF-15. About to see what it do. Only one.